Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking and shutting off the engine, then move the wipers to service position if your Civic supports it. This prevents accidental activation. Next, lift the wiper arm slowly until it locks at roughly 90 degrees and hold the blade to stop the spring from snapping back and cracking the windshield. Keep the new blade and any adapter handy. You'll save time. Once done, identify the connector type under the blade, hook, pin, or bayonet, so you know which removal motion to use. You now remove the old blade by finding the connector type. Knowing whether it's a hook, pin, or bayonet informs your move. Press the small release tab or button, then slide the blade down off the arm. If it's a hook style, rotate the blade perpendicular and unhook it. Keep a firm grip as tension can release suddenly. Use a towel between the arm and glass for protection. Once removed, check the arm and rubber channel for rust or grit and clean it before installing the new blade. You install the new blade by aligning the adapter with the arm and snapping it into place until you hear a clear click. That click confirms proper engagement. Lower the arm slowly onto the windshield. Do not drop it, then repeat for the passenger side. Once both blades are in, start the car and test on low speed, then high, verifying full sweep, even contact, and absence of streaks or chatter. If streaking occurs, clean the glass and blade edge. If one blade skips, check seating and replace if defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.